Hello everyone, welcome back to A4 Analysis. Today we are at day 24 of the series SQL50. Today's problem statement is user activity for the past 30 days. So we have a table named activity. There are columns user ID, session ID, activity date, activity type. This table may contain duplicate rows and the activity column can have values like open session, end session, scroll down, send message, etc. And the table shows the user activities for a social media website. Note that each session belongs to exactly one user. Now coming to the problem statement, write a solution to find the daily active user count for a period of 30 days ending on this particular date inclusively. A user was active on some day if they made at least one activity on that day. Return the result table in any order. So our typical input data will look something like this, where we have user ID, session ID, activity date, and activity type. And our output is expected to look something like this. So we are given a reference date within the 30 days before that date. So the duration is ending at the reference date. So within the 30 days period of time, we have to calculate, we have to count the total number of active users for every day. So now let's look at the code. So it is quite simple, honestly. Uh, First of all, we must have activity date. And for every such day, we have to count the distinct user IDs as active users. Now we will make sure that it meets all the conditions stated in the problem statement. So we need to make sure that it is within the 30 days duration of the reference date. So that's what we are doing here with activity date greater than date sub. This is the reference date and interval is 30 days. If you remember, there was another problem statement where we used date add before, date underscore add, where it was adding 30 days to any given date. And here it is subtracting 30 days as mentioned in the interval keyword from the given date. So the activity date has to be less than equals to the reference date and it has to be greater than the minimum day of the duration which is obtained by this expression of date sum. So by these two lines we are making sure the date is within that particular duration, and after that we also have to make sure that there is some activity done by that user, so it must not be null. So that's what we are checking. This is our condition for that, and after that we are grouping by activity date.